GG Squad, this is Shez and I'm back with another video brought to you by Girls for God. Today we are going to make a really yummy snack. It's very easy, something that you could whip up on the weekend and use it for school lunches or have it for a snack on the after school. We're making some savoury scrolls. We're going to be doing a Vegemite and cheese, and we'll do a pizza scroll. So let's get started. We've got some puff pastry, some diced ham, grated cheese. You can buy it grated or grate it yourself. We've got some tomato sauce. Now you can use tomato or barbecue, depending on your preference. We've got a beaten egg for egg wash and some Vegemite. What you're going to do is you need to let your puff pastry thaw for 5 to 10 minutes on a bench at room temperature, and then we're going to start working with it. So lay it on a floured surface, and we're going to do our Vegemite and cheese one first. So grab some Vegemite. You're going to want to spread a good amount on the sheet of puff pastry. You don't need to go all the way to the end because we are going to roll it over, but the closer you get to the edges, it means that every scroll has a nice flavour. Okay, then we're going to get some cheese. I've just got some pre-grated cheese, but as I said, you can grate your own. And you're going to want to sprinkle it on. The cheese is going to melt and go all gooey. Now I've done this back to front, so I'm just going to circle my board. What you want to do is to be able to roll away from you. So just grab it, start rolling. Once you get to about here, you've got your beaten egg. You could use some milk and just dab a little. And roll to the end. So once you've got your roll, you need to get a sharp knife, cut in the middle, and then you can get even sizes. Now you don't want to make them too big because the puff pastry will inflate in a hot oven. You want to set your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. We'll put Fahrenheit down the bottom of this video. I've got a baking tray with some baking paper or parchment, and you just need to lay them on your tray, give them a little bit of space. Okay. We'll put these to one side and get cracking with our ham and cheese. Into our bowl, we are going to mix our ham. I've got about 100 grams of diced ham. Could you mix this for me? And then we're going to put in about a cup of grated cheese. Yep, and we'll just mix all that together. Fantastic. Now I'm going to get some puff pastry. Now if it sticks to your board, you can put a little bit of flour on your board. I've got a bit of a hole in mine there, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to get some tomato sauce. You can use tomato paste, it's a little bit thicker. You can use barbecue sauce, sweet chili sauce. It's really up to you. It's a really good, easy way to mix it, to spread it out with the back of a spoon. And then we are just going to get our mixed ham and cheese and sprinkle it on. Now I've got enough here for 2 puff pastry sheets, so I'll save some. Once again, start rolling, roll away from you. It's a lot easier. If you find it's bulking up a little bit, you can spread it out. Make sure there's some on every little bit. That's nice. Okay, that doesn't really matter. It's going to have a little bit of sauce on the outside. Once again, we get our knife, cut, and place them on your tray. These ones up here are a little bit bigger because the filling is a bit bigger. So we're going to pop these into the oven just to get some egg wash. And if you've got a brush, that's a lot better. Just putting some on here. Just browns it up a little bit. So I've got these on our tray. I'm going to pop them into a hot oven, about 200 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. So we have just finished, these have come out of the oven. We've got some cheese and Vegemite scrolls, and then our ham, cheese and sauce, our pizza scrolls here. They are delicious eaten warm, but you can let them cool. Now if you want to pop them in, wrap them up and pop them in the freezer and then let them thaw to take them to school, they're fantastic. Or put them in an airtight container and eat them within the next couple of days. Let us know in the comments below what other fillings you think would be great in our scrolls. We've just had one of our editors say she wants pineapple in the pizza ones next time, so let us know. Until next video, bye.